Power the phone on. See, it turns on. Test it out real quick. All the buttons work. In this video, I'll show you the cheapest way to fix your damaged screen if you don't have a heat gun and need to fix it today. So as you can see, this phone screen is damaged. We're not going to need to save the screen since it's already totally damaged. This helps us take out the screen without needing a heat gun. But most importantly, we need a replacement screen. I'll show you what to look for before buying your screen. So when buying your screen for the first time, make sure you buy one that comes with the basic tools. These are the tools you're going to need. You don't have to buy this particular brand, but it came with some basic tools that you can use for your first repair. So make sure you look for that. So now let's get right into it. We need to take out the two pentalobe screws.
So you guys have always asked, if you have a heat gun, can you use a hair dryer?
I'll be testing that out in my next video. So make sure you subscribe so you'll be the first to know when that video drops. Okay, so next you can use a suction cup to lift it up. As you can see, it's already lifted up. We just want to create a gap. We'll get our guitar pick and just go in, and we can just go aggressively. Make sure we don't go super deep. Stay in between, and it's almost out. So you can see that. We're just lifting up gently, taking the screen out. Once I get to the top, I like to wiggle. The 14 Pro Max normally goes to the left. Okay, now we have the phone open. By the way, the first screwdriver we used was a pentalobe screwdriver as a 0.8 one. Now we want to use a tri-point screwdriver. This is the one that came with it. Normally has the Y sign, 0.6 Y. We needed to take out the plates. On this 14 Pro Max, we have about 8 screws. And there's the last one behind here. It's kind of behind the flex cable right here. Now with the plastic spudger, take out the plate. Once we take out the plate, we want to take out the battery. Now we can take the screen out. There are 2 flex cables, one here and this one right here. Okay, now the screen is out. Put it to the side. The one thing we need to transfer to the new screen is the sensor. Comes with a flex cable. So we'll use our Phillips screwdriver, take out these 2 screws. We'll take out the plate. Okay, this is where the 99% rubbing alcohol comes in handy. Since we don't have a heat gun, you can always get this in your local store. You just want to pull a little bit around. Remember, we don't care about this screen, so we're not worried about damaging it any further. Now we use our plastic spudger. Just go underneath gently. Don't force it, that way you don't tear the flex cable. Just keep going gently. Put some more alcohol. Grab your plastic spudger, gently lift. It might take a little longer, but just be patient with it. Okay, we got one part out. Go underneath here, just gently. And we can see the flex cables out. Now transfer it to the replacement screen, but before we do that, I want to take out the protective film. Make sure this is out. Now we align the sensor and the flex cable. Once it's sitting aligned, we'll screw back the plate. This one needs to hook in. Screw down the 2 screws. Grab our phone. Now we need to put the adhesive clean out here and take out the old adhesive. Mine is pretty clean. So remember, once you open your phone, it's not going to be waterproof anymore. Even though you put adhesive on it. It was my personal phone. I normally skip this step. But I know most people like to have the adhesive on. So just put this on right here. Make sure it's aligned. And use a spudger. Just make sure it sticks. Slowly press it down. Now we can take this off. Want to connect it back. Screw back the plate. Now I'll close down the screen. Make sure this hooks right here at the top. Make sure they're straight. I like to start from the top and just push down gently. Once the top is in, I'll go to the bottom. Make sure the bottom gets in. Go to the sides. Gently press it down. Take the film out. And finally, the 2 pentalobe screws. Power the phone on. See, it turns on. Okay, we'll just test it out real quick. All the buttons work. Hopefully that helps you out. This is the easiest way I think you can repair your screen. If you'd like to see more videos like this, check the video on the right. And for a repair playlist, check the playlist on the left. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.